Yo, what's going on? Peace and blessings, everybody out there. Shout out to the future full timers. It's your boy Marvillous Beast, professional producer and violinist. And today's video, we're gonna talk about the bread. All right, so three ideas or three tips or three things that I believe are just great for the return on investment for full-time musicians. Okay, so who this video was for? Of course, the people who want to be full-time musicians. So you can't be a super duper beginner, of course, and of course you can't be a super seasoned, professional musician already. But you might learn something from this video, so go ahead and watch. Okay, so let's get right into it. So the number one thing, at least in my experience, that gets you the best return on investment is easily $1 a day ads on IG and YouTube. Okay, YouTube is managed by Google, of course. That's Google AdSense, Google AdWords, and then IG is like Facebook Meta. Okay, you're probably wondering why I didn't mention something like TikTok, such a popular platform, right? TikTok kind of pricey. Okay, last time I checked, TikTok was not allowing you to do anything less than $5 a day. Might even be $20 a day now. So that's kind of why I stay away from TikTok. IG and again YouTube, Google, they allow you to do only $1 a day ads. So take your best video that's already doing great organically. If you showing what you do with your craft, target the areas that you want to get booked in, and just do $1 a day. Because you get booked one time, I'm sure you're charging more than $30 for your services. So you get booked one time, it pays for more than just 1 month of ads, and you just keep rinsing and repeating. Okay, probably the best thing in the world. So $1 can make you essentially a limited amount of money if you get booked for your craft. Okay. Number two, hands down, is going to be learning how to record demos yourself. I'm not saying completely finished records, but you should be at least be able to be at home, you know, get a clean signal, and practice your records. Because when you do pay the big money, go to the studio, you don't want to waste time. Okay, you want to go in there, know the song, knock it out. Okay, so get yourself. They're so affordable now. Little interfaces with like a condenser mic, DAWs, digital audio workstations. The FL Studios, Studio One, Logic, GarageBand. Those are like pretty affordable nowadays. You can even just do like a membership, and totally worth the money. Invest in that. Use YouTube videos, learn how to use the program, and cut your demos. Practice. You're gonna save so much money and so much time when you go to actually cut the records for real in a really professional studio. Okay, and number three, I would have to say, is the website with a booking page and an email list. Those all got to go together. Okay. It's one of the more pricey things on this list. I use Wix, and when you kind of get all the bells and whistles, it's about $300 a year. Now, obviously, like I said, 1 or 2 gigs is gonna pay for that. Okay, so just definitely do it. It's really important because number one, makes you look so much more professional. People actually kind of give you the respect once they see like, okay, this artist.com, instead of like you're only sending them to like a social media page, you know what I mean? Or you don't have anything to send them to, it doesn't look really good. And then a booking form is important because it cuts down the time that it takes for you to kind of, field inquiries, and you get all the details on one page, and you can answer them and, get that popping. And then the super bonus on top of that is getting an email list. So when people fill out your booking form, or you can just have it on your website, hey, join my email list. Now you have a list of people that like your stuff, like your craft, that you can regularly market to, letting them know you have new music or you have a new show coming out. And yeah, right, anything else you want to tell them about. That's really, really important to start to develop a relationship with the people who are interested in what you do. Okay, so quick review. Number one, hands down, is going to be $1 a day ads on social media. Again, IG, YouTube, Meta, Google. Okay, use your best video that's already doing well organically. That's the key. So you know that your ads aren't going to be a waste of time. Oh, and then on the ad, make sure that the link that the people who see the ad click on it goes to your website. That's number three. Okay, so back to number two. Number two is learning how to cut demos yourself. Okay, a little $100, $150, $150, maybe $200 investment can get you an interface, a DAW, condenser mic, I think it was Personas, and Focusrite I think also has this too. It's like a pack. It comes with an interface, a mic, even some headphones, and it might even come with the computer program to cut the records and stuff like that. So get one of those. Practice before you go to a professional studio and using all your hard-earned money, and cut your records quickly. Okay. Number three. Okay. Again, is get yourself a website. It makes you look so professional. Get a booking form on there, and then make sure you're taking note of all the emails of people that visit your website and go into your booking form. You can use that later for marketing to these people and growing your brand. All right. So let's get that bread. It's your boy Marvillous Beats, professional music producer and violinist. MarvBeats.com here on another Wednesday for Full Time Musician. I'm gonna see y'all next Wednesday. Peace.